It's your girl Domenica back with another video. You can find me on social media at DamenicaJ. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I dip these strawberries, so let's get right to it. I am starting out with my candy melts already melted and thinned. If you'd like to see how I thin my candy melts, I'll link that video down below. I've already washed my strawberries. They weren't completely dry, they were still a little damp, so I do keep a roll of paper towels on hand so I can dry them completely before you dip them. That is very important. The strawberries have to be completely dry before dipped. I like to get as much of the excess chocolate off as possible. Just for the appearance, I don't like a big lump of chocolate under my strawberries. When I want a strawberry completely covered in sprinkles, you'll want to go ahead and put the sprinkles on while the chocolate is still wet. When I'm dipping a couple dozen treats, I love using this Wilton Stay Warm ceramic melting bowl. They work great. They keep the chocolate warm for a pretty long time.
That's good.
I wanted to try out this bottle for my Drizzle. I did end up loving it, but if you don't have a bottle at home, you can use some disposable candy bags or actually just a baggie and, poke a hole in the bottom of it with a toothpick to do the drizzle. This bottle is actually microwavable, so if your chocolate starts to get hard, you can just pop it right back in the microwave to melt it. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.